What is up, guys? Goalkeeper 1 is here, and before I let you watch this video, I just wanted to point out that, as the title says, the wind was actually very strong, and it was so strong that I actually had to turn off the sound from the actual game footage because the wind was that loud. So pretty much, in case anybody was wondering why the ball was flying so fast to my goal or why I was going down so fast during goal kicks, was because of the very strong wind during the game. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to point that out. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.
Run free, so I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. It's just out before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You the wildfire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You the wildfire in my heart, yeah.
So I've come to the conclusion, just a rotten piece of